वेलकम टू द राइड। मैं हूँ इस वक्त ईपी ईस्टर्न पेनिनसुला एक्सप्रेस वे पे और टुडे इज़ डे 1 ऑफ द राइड। एक्चुअली नॉट डे 1 बट डे 0, क्योंकि वी विल स्टार्ट द राइड फ्रॉम टुमारो। और आज मैं जा रहा हूँ दिल्ली से अपने होम टाउन अम्बाला। विल स्टे देयर फॉर द नाइट and we'll start the ride from tomorrow. Okay, we will be on a ride to Spitivalley for the next 9 days. ओके, वीडियो शूट करने का कोई इरादा नहीं था मेरा, लेकिन फिर सोचा कि जब जा ही रहे हैं तो व्हाई नॉट, लेट्स शूट ऑल द वे। सो विल बी शूटिंग ऑल द वे। ट्राई करूँगा कि पूरा रास्ता ही कैप्चर कर लें, लेकिन देखते हैं। और साथ में बातें भी होंगी। बाइक की बात करते हैं पहले। आई एम ऑन थंडरबर्ड 350 और yesterday I was in Karol Bagh for the whole day to get it serviced. सर्विस की है और I got the clutch system change, all brake pads, accelerator wire, brake wire, clutch wire, everything is changed and the old ones are kept for as spares. और पिछली ट्रिप से पे ही आई थिंक, या पिछली ट्रिप पे 2 years ago when I went for Ladakh trip, at that time I put this alloy wheels, which I don't recommend this, but I put it for so that I can put the tubeless tires, which is easy to maintain on the journey like this, because that is my biggest worry. If I got a flat tire, it will be very hard on the way to even change it. So that's why I put that alloy wheels to put the tires. और ड्राई चेंज करवा दी है। और इसके अलावा आई इंस्टॉल्ड सम एसेसरीज, फॉग लाइट्स, वन पिलियन रैक टू कैरी द एक्स्ट्रा लगेज, और a mobile phone charger and holder. And we are reaching to the toll plaza on this expressway. Thank God bikes doesn't have to pay this toll, so we can just cross this without paying anything. And after that I'll be joining the National Highway 1, which will take us to Ambala Strait. Very pretty straightforward and boring way, but yes, that we have to cross, but it will be faster. Let's see, it's made very beautiful. I entered this from Ghaziabad, and Ghaziabad से Kudli I think it just takes 30 to 40 minutes. और बहुत बड़ी ब्लेसिंग है ये लोगों के लिए जो दिल्ली मेट्रो में नहीं चाहते और नॉर्थ की तरफ जाना चाहते हैं। सो आप पूरा दिल्ली का ट्रैफिक बाईपास कर सकते हैं इससे। इट विल जस्ट स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड ऑन वेरी मच गुड स्पीड. यू कैन क्रॉस the whole traffic of the Delhi and you will be on near to Sonipat. Kundli is one town which is on National Highway 1, so you can just straight forward, you can reach there. I'll be carrying the luggage in throwaway saddlebags, clamster saddlebags, which I'm having, and one claw bag. So I'll be carrying all this luggage into these bags. And there we'll be taking the turn to join the National Highway 1 straight to Umbala, and from there to Chandigarh and Shimla, and all the way to Spiti. There are other riders who are most probably, I think, is are heading to the same way, either to Ladakh or to Spitivalley. In this season, you will see many riders on this highway going for these two destinations, Ladakh or Spitivalley. We are three guys on this trip. One is me, one is my younger brother, who will be joining me from Solan. He will be coming in the bus from Delhi to Solan tomorrow and will be joining me from there. Other guy is his friend, who will be joining me from Chandigarh tomorrow. So we are three guys. He will be having his friend will be having his own bike. I think he's renting one, which is Bajaj Avenger 220cc, and my brother will be as a pillion. I'm not very comfortable with this pillion thing, but what to do? I don't have any other option, so I have to be. Sometimes I'll be riding, sometimes I'll be sitting as pillion. Let's see how it will go. We are entering Ambala, and I'll stay here for the night, and then we'll start my journey from tomorrow. I'm missing the mirrors on this bike, which I tried to find yesterday, but I couldn't get the good ones, so I thought I'll get it from the dealer only. So I'll see here if I can get it. I think most probably I'll get it. It is open now, so let me check. Okay ji, today is actual day 1 and I'm on the Chandigarh highway, Ambala to Chandigarh. From Chandigarh I'll be joined by my friend Aman. Yesterday I got these mirrors installed which I was missing. From Krolbag I didn't get the ones which I wanted, so I went to the dealer in Ambala and I got this installed from there, the original ones. Now only one thing is balance. The front suspension is not very good. The guy told me that I should get it serviced, but in some confusion I couldn't do it, and when I realized and asked him to do it, it was very late. So instead of spending another day there at Karol Bagh, I thought we will be servicing these on the way. So there is a dealership, RE dealership at Solan, which is on the way. So I thought that will be a good thing because my brother will also be joining me there only. So I'll get it serviced there. It will take some time, but I think that is the best option. We are at Jirakpur and this bridge straight goes to Chandigarh, and we have taken the left of this bridge, and from down under this bridge we will take a right to Shimla, and here I'll be joined by my friend Aman. So let's cross this and see. And here is our friend Aman. Okay, now Aman is with me on his Avenger. Lekin he's carrying his all the luggage in his backpack, which will be, I think, will be very tiring. So in Solan, I think we'll be shifting the luggage, all the luggage onto one bike so that it can be made comfortable. Let's see how we will manage this luggage of 3 guys on 2 bikes. We are in Himachal and this is the Simla highway. We have crossed the Kalka and entered Himachal. There is a lot of construction going on this highway, and there will be a lot of traffic of trucks and cars. So up to Shimla I think we will get all this traffic and the construction thing, which is making it a little bit tough. But as it is morning, so there is not that much rush, but still there will be a lot of construction is going on, and there will be a lot of truck traffic will be there on this road. Police has diverted us to a different way because of the traffic, and I think this is the best thing happened. It's a beautiful way, beautiful road, and there is no traffic at all. I hope कि ये हमें सोलन तक पहुंचा देगी सड़क. देखते हैं. We are at Solanari dealership to get the front suspension serviced up. So here is our bike, and they are working on its front suspension. I hope the suspension will be better. Suspension का काम कराने के बाद we are again on our way to Shimla, and Minto is driving. I am sitting as a pillion. काफ़ी टाइम लग गया है यहाँ पे, 2-2.5 घंटे तो लग ही चुके हैं, और मौसम भी ख़राब हो रहा है. हाँ, बारिश होनी शुरू हो गई है, विच आई वॉज नॉट एक्सपेक्टिंग. लेकिन पहाड़ों में मौसम बहुत जल्दी चेंज हो जाता है. वी आर स्टिल राइडिंग. इट्स नॉट very heavy rain, but still it is raining. But riding in the rain is fun, and I'm enjoying it. वी आर एंटरिंग शिमला। बारिश काफ़ी कम हो गई है, लेकिन मौसम भी बना हुआ है बारिश का ही, हल्की हल्की सी हो रही है। अभी बारिश रुक चुकी है और मौसम काफ़ी अच्छा है, एंड वी आर ऑन द वे। हमारा प्लान था आज फर्स्ट डे में रामपुर को शहर तक पहुंचने का, लेकिन मुझे नहीं लगता कि अब हम पहुंच पाएंगे। एक तो बारिश की वजह से हम बहुत स्लो गए हैं, और दूसरा वी हैव स्पेंड क्वाइट लॉट ऑफ टाइम इन सोलन फॉर दिस सस्पेंशन थिंग टू सर्विस्ड। तो देखते हैं, मेरे ख्याल से हम नारकंडा तक ही पहुंच पाएंगे, पर स्टिल विल ट्राई टू सी।
Photography session is over. This was a nice spot to click some pics. Now we are
are starting again. Narkanda is still, I think, 20 kilometers around, and it will take us 1 more hour. Let's see. It's quite foggy due to rain, but still there is good visibility to ride. Somewhere it is very poor, but still rideable. And it is too much time, and there is chances of rain again. So we have decided that we will not be going further than Narkanda. So we'll be staying at Narkanda, and we'll start tomorrow from Narkanda to